Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form elements. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML form data list input element. The list attribute of the input element must refer to the ID attribute of the data list element to make the predefined data visible. Users will see a drop-down list of the predefined options visibly as they input the data. At the input data. So let me show you how this works. Back to our previous tutorial where we are discussing about the data list element. This is what we are having. We are having some codes right here enclosed with our data list. But now we want to use input element. But this our input element right here is special. Is different to the input element that we used to use previously. So let's firstly save our input element at the top right here and reload. Can you see? Now we are seeing input element. Let's say for instance we want to display anything. We have anwar. As you can see, anwar is not displaying here yet. So quickly let's display another. Let's use id right here. We are not going to use id right here. We are going to use list. So when we use list, the name that we will specify inside the list element right here must be the name. Let's give it j. If we give it j, the id also, the data list must take id of j. So we will assign id of j to this list, and we will assign list value of j. We are saying input, please list the data list that is having id of j for us. So everything that is inside here will now display. Let's say for instance now we are having 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3. So let's reload our document. Now let's click a will not display. You see why a doesn't display is because a is not, nothing is having a among all the data we are having right here, as you can see. So 1 2 3 4, nothing is having a. But if we press 0, can you see we have o, something is displaying because we have o. If we press t, something will display. If we press r, something will display. If we press e, something will, well, when we press a, nothing will display. That's what I want to show you. That's the scope in using all this. So I don't want to talk too much about this because this is highly advanced. In case in the future you want to understand some stuff about it, you can still come around. Maybe I will have some stuff because I still want to give you guys some ways you can use all these things easy way. As you can see, this is heading there. In our next tutorial also, I'm going to show you some another cool tricks you can use to create this without creating it in all this manner. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you.